Can a single click really save your blurry photos, grainy videos, and even unreadable PDFs? Welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing an honest review of Artguru, an all-in-one AI enhancer that claims to bring professional-grade clarity to almost any file in just one click. But is it actually the best AI photo enhancer to use right now, or is it just hype? Let's break down exactly what this tool can do, what makes it unique, and where it stands. First, let's talk about versatility. Most AI tools only focus on one thing, either photos or videos. Artguru tries to do it all. Its flagship feature is the photo enhancer, which cleans up noise, sharpens details, and can upscale low-res images up to 4K. It even features multi-face enhancement, which is a lifesaver for group photos where some faces always end up blurry. But it doesn't stop there. If you need massive files for posters or high-quality prints, they have an 8K image upscaler designed to rebuild fine details without losing quality. They also feature an old photo restore that automatically removes scratches, creases, and spots while recovering faded faces and colors. What really surprised me, though, are the video and document tools. The video enhancer cleans up grainy footage, reduces compression artifacts, and upgrades videos to smooth 1080p or 4K. And if you work with scanned documents, the document and PDF enhancer sharpens blurry text, removes shadows, and boosts DPI so your files are ready for clean printing or archiving. Plus, they offer batch processing, background removal, and object erasing to polish your files even further. Now, let's keep it completely real. Since we believe in 100% honest reviews here, you should know that independent third-party user reviews for Artguru are currently quite limited online. While the platform claims to be trusted by creators and professionals, we don't have a massive mountain of external user feedback to verify how it handles highly complex edge case files. So, what's the verdict? On the pro side, Artguru is incredibly convenient. Having a photo, video, old photo, and PDF enhancer all in one place is a massive time saver. The 8K upscaling and batch processing are huge wins for creators and online sellers. On the con side, because independent reviews are limited, you'll want to test it out with your own files first to see if the one-click results meet your specific standards, especially for highly damaged old photos or heavy video files, which naturally take longer to process. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to Artguru AI and test your own photos or documents. What do you think? Is an all-in-one AI enhancer something you'd use daily? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.